Honda Racing Corporation has announced the launch of a limited edition CRF450RX Rally model designed for competition use. The hand-built factory replica bike is a significant milestone for desert racing enthusiasts, providing a bike that closely resembles the bikes used by factory riders such as Ricky Brabec and Adrian Van Beveren. The bike will be distributed through Honda's European wing based in Italy, Redmoto, which is also known for supporting Steve Holcomb in the Enduro GP World Championship. Only 50 units of the CRF450RX Rally will be produced, and each will be priced at €28,000. This model represents Honda's commitment to meeting the growing demand from privateer riders who aspire to compete with equipment similar to the factory teams. This announcement is especially significant given Honda's recent dominance in the Dakar Rally event, where the CRF450 Rally bike has established itself as the benchmark in rally racing. For now, HRC has only released information about this machine, and it is unclear whether it will be sold commercially, but judging from the current situation, it seems certain that it will be released in the market in the future. The launch of the CRF450RX Rally marks Honda's first step in offering a production rally bike. Many expressed surprise that it took so long for Honda to introduce a consumer-focused model, especially given the long success of the KTM 450 Rally bike, which has become the standard for private riders around the world. With this launch, Honda is all set to challenge KTM's dominance in the rally scene around the world. The CRF450RX Rally offers several advanced features designed for rally racing. These include a CRF450RX-based 6-speed transmission for optimal top speed, a rally tower for navigation equipment, and an integrated rally tank and seat to reduce rider fatigue during long journeys. The motorcycle is also equipped with intake and exhaust systems designed to increase power output, a strong frame and swing arm, and special suspension settings for rally use. Additional protection ensures that the motorcycle's critical components remain intact under extreme conditions. In terms of technical specifications, the bike is powered by a single-cylinder, 450 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine with a 6-speed gearbox. The bike has a durable aluminum twin-tube frame and a total fuel capacity of 36 liters, divided into 2 front tanks of 22 liters and 1 rear tank of 14 liters. The braking system includes a 300mm front brake disc and a 240mm rear brake disc, while the rear subframe serves as a self-contained plastic tank. With the introduction of the CRF450RX Rally, Honda not only expands its product line but also reaffirms its position as a leader in the world of rally racing. The new model offers privateers an unprecedented opportunity to compete at the highest level with equipment comparable to standard bikes, paving the way for an exciting new chapter in rally racing.